So to make your branding logo, all you have to do is to go to your YouTube studio. We'll just wait for this until it load up. And then you go to your settings. And then channel. You go to your branding. I have an existing branding logo already, so I'll just remove it so I can show you how I put it on. So the requirements is 150 by 150 pixel of the photo that you're gonna use as your branding logo. So I already have an existing logo with this kind of requirements, so I'll just choose image. And I click that and open, and it will appear on this side. You have the option to put it on end of video, or you customize it, or entire video. I personally choose entire video, so it will show up while your audience is playing your video. And then I will just save it. You just hit click save. But on my case, I'll just cancel it because I already have existing logo. If you don't have your logo created yet, the one that your YouTube channel was currently using as logo, you just have to edit it. Use any kind of photo editor. In my case, I use Futor. This one is free, and I'm sure that you can use your existing photo editor, and all you have to do is edit your logo. So I have several sizes of my logo here because I don't know which one will fit on 150 by 150 pixel. So I just changed this one to 150, and I'll just move it here. This was the smallest one, so it'll fit. And then you just hit apply and save, and then go back to your YouTube studio and then choose the image again, and this will how it look like. Okay, to check, I'll show you that you only have to do this one time, and it will appear all over your video, either your old videos or your new videos. So I'll show you the one that I recently made, and I'll show you the one that I made 5 years ago. I'll just go on my videos, and this was the one I just made yesterday. See, if you hover over your branding logo, there's already subscribe, and it will display your YouTube channel. Okay, so I created this May 25th, 2020. And then we'll see on the one that I made 5 years ago. Well, this one. This was made January 19th, 20. This was made January 19, 2015, and you see there's my branding logo over there. So that's all you have to do, guys, in order for you to create a branding logo. I hope this tutorial helps you. I'm not quite sure if this will work on your cell phone and tablet because I tried this on my laptop. That's all, folks, and you just comment if you have questions. Thank you so much for watching.